SpaceX, over 500,000 orders already for Starlink satellite internet service. That's not nothing.
No, that's good.
People want space internet. They had the pre-orders going on $99, and it was refundable because then they were going to charge you another $500 for your starter kit. And I think they're going to make some money on this thing. It turns out there's a lot more underserviced people than you may think that are in these type of locations. Because you sit there and you go, okay, yeah, rural. Who's rural? Who needs this? And then you see 500,000 orders, and the thing's not even out yet. And you're like, oh man, a lot of people. A lot of people live rural and can take advantage of this. What's the quote here? To date, over half a million people have placed an order or put down a deposit for Starlink. This is recent, by the way. It was a webcast on the 26th that they were talking about how, I guess, successful they've been so far. It's also the world's largest satellite constellation now, with more than 1,500 Starlink satellites launched to orbit to date. So, they're positioned here. They're ahead of the game. You know, there's been that little dispute, Elon and Jeff going back and forth, who gets to own the satellites. I watched, oh my God, Will, I watched just a conspiracy video about an Elon tweet, which referenced the Romeo and Juliet soundtrack. And then this person went in and actually decoded the playlist and took the first letter of each thing and somehow connected it to Doge, and then somehow connected that to the model of satellite that would be used for these applications in space, suggesting that these satellites would eventually form the basis of a crypto network, that the satellites would be the financials, would be distributing the I don't.
Go on. That sounds like
dude,
a late nighter.
And I was actually like, as far as the at least the first part of it, like looking at the playlist and finding, like, they found Doge #1 inside the playlist by taking the first letter of each song and the way it was organized, and they were able to spell Doge #1. Like, that doesn't seem by accident. But definitely somebody's having too much fun. Well, everybody's having too much fun. It's obvious. Go look at the price. Everybody's having too much fun. And then you have Ethereum Classic today, which is just, excuse me? Will, what if you just put like 10 grand into Ethereum Classic a month ago? Why didn't you do that?
Well, I should have. Yeah. Where is it right now?
Well, there it is. It's up 164%?
Yes.
On 7 days. Yeah. Okay. Okay. And what's Doge? It's beating Doge now, right? Doge is 101.
Fourth.
Yeah. No, I meant in 7 day growth. Doge has slowed down a little bit.
It's at 100.
Yeah, it slowed down a tiny bit.
Yeah.
Anyway, it's out of control, this stuff.
Romeo and Juliet.
I'm just telling you, man. Go look at it. You'll find the guy. You'll find the guy on YouTube. I'm telling you.
Okay.
Man.
I'll make it my nightly investigation.
I mean, you don't have to. It's pretty much what I just said is the extent of it, but whatever.